Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action and yesterday's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. So like I said, it may look like a longer period, but it's literally just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute slices. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. That's where these green and red line and then this overall orange line is coming from. And from the trading perspective right now, as far as kind of the big picture, everything is still perfectly fine. There is a little bit of perspective that goes into that. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought up there or there, you know, maybe this morning you bought somewhere like right there or there and you wanted to sell within 10 minutes, then yeah, view the chart may look kind of rough. But assuming you care about the big picture of things, yeah, today the price did technically pull back very slightly, but that's today, right? 1 day. When you look at multiple days here, you can see that the price is still well within the overall uptrend. A couple of different ways you can look at the uptrend, as I've talked about in past videos. First way, you know, and you can use both. You can use one or the other, or you can just say, you know what, Clay, I don't care if they say I'm going to use something else. That's fine too. But one way to do it is just using that orange line right there, which is in the world of charts what we'd call our uptrending trend line. You can see that that's just monitoring, you know, every single time the price is pulled back. As you can see, the price has not gone as low as previous pullbacks, and that's how those uptrends are created. So you could use that, like I said, to gauge the strength of the trend, or you could use that purple line right there. That's the famous 50-period simple moving average. You can use both if you want, kind of just a double trend line, if you will, whatever floats your boat. But the point being that assuming you do care about things from the grand scope of things perspective, it's all about just building higher bases over time, because as long as higher bases are being built, then everything else will take care of itself. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still right up there around 340 as public enemy number 1. But all in all, still working on an overall higher base, and that's what you want. So we'll see how this one can close out the week tomorrow.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.